Mastering Contract Drafting. Essential Techniques for Legal Agreements. Welcome to the chapter that will lay the groundwork for your journey into the fascinating world of contract drafting. In this chapter, we will explore the fundamentals of contracts, their purpose, and the essential elements that make them legally binding. We will also delve into common contract types and their unique characteristics. So, let's dive in and unravel the mysteries of contract drafting. Definition and purpose of contracts. At its core, a contract is a legally enforceable agreement between two or more parties. Contracts serve as the framework for establishing rights, duties, and obligations, creating a sense of certainty and security in various transactions and relationships. Whether it's a business partnership, a client engagement, or a landlord-tenant agreement, contracts provide the necessary structure to ensure that all parties involved understand their rights and responsibilities. Elements of a legally binding contract. For a contract to be considered legally binding, it must fulfill certain essential elements. Let's explore these key components that give contracts their legal force. 1. Offer and acceptance. A contract begins with one party making an offer to another party. The offer must be clear, definite, and communicated to the other party. The acceptance of the offer must be unequivocal and in accordance with the terms set forth in the offer. 2. Consideration. Consideration refers to something of value exchanged between the parties. It can be in the form of money, goods, services, or even a promise not to do something. Consideration is an essential element as it distinguishes a contract from a mere gift or voluntary promise. 3. Intention to create legal relations. For a contract to be binding, the parties involved must have a genuine intention to be legally bound by its terms. This intention demonstrates the seriousness and commitment of the parties to honor their obligations. 4. Legal capacity. All parties entering into a contract must have the legal capacity to do so. This means they must be of legal age, mentally competent, and not under the influence of duress, coercion, or undue influence. 5. Consent. Consent implies that the parties willingly and knowingly agree to the terms of the contract without any misrepresentation, fraud, mistake, or undue influence. Genuine consent ensures that the contract is entered into freely and voluntarily. 6. Legal purpose. Contracts must have a lawful purpose. They cannot involve illegal activities or go against public policy. Contracts that are contrary to law or public policy are considered void and unenforceable. Common contract types and their characteristics. Contracts come in various forms, each tailored to meet specific needs and circumstances. Let's explore some common contract types and their unique characteristics. 1. Sales contracts. These contracts govern the sale and purchase of goods or services. They outline the terms, conditions, and warranties related to the transaction. 2. Employment contracts. Employment contracts establish the relationship between employers and employees. They define rights, obligations, and terms of employment, such as compensation, working hours, and job responsibilities. 3. Lease agreements. Lease agreements are used in real estate transactions to establish the rights and obligations of landlords and tenants. They specify the terms of occupancy, rent payments, and maintenance responsibilities. 4. Partnership agreements. Partnership agreements outline the terms of collaboration between individuals or entities forming a partnership. They address profit sharing, decision-making processes, and the responsibilities of each partner. 5. Non-disclosure agreements, NDAs. NDAs are contracts that protect confidential information shared between parties. They ensure that the receiving party maintains confidentiality and prohibits the unauthorized disclosure of sensitive information. Understanding the different contract types and their characteristics allows you to tailor your drafting approach to meet specific needs and industry requirements. It's essential to grasp the nuances of each contract type to ensure accuracy and precision in your drafting. In this chapter, we have explored the definition and purpose of contracts, the essential elements that make them legally binding, and common contract types along with their characteristics. Armed with this foundational knowledge, you are now ready to embark on the journey of becoming a skilled contract drafter.